In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to fix if your Face ID is not working on your iOS 26 update on iPad or iPhone. So first thing guys, you have to make sure you can do the universal solution. You can restart your phone or iPad, and restarting can resolve temporary software glitch. And second thing you can do it guys, you can force restart your uh, iPad or iPhone. So because if a regular restart does not help, perform a forced restart, and you can do it by holding the home button as well as the top button together. And if you have uh, and if you don't have the home button on your device, then you can use guys the volume. You can quickly press and release the volume up button and down button and release them, and finally just hold the side button or the top button, power button, and the Apple logo will appear. Uh, you can guys then force restore your iPad. And the last thing you can do it, you can reset your Face ID if you have added. So you can go to your settings, and then there must be option. If you have a Face ID, you must be seeing guys over here. So I have to enter my um, passcode over here. So since right now my iPad has a touch ID, but if you have a Face ID, you can reset from here. Here's the Face ID. So you can just remove the Face ID from the options over here guys, if you have the Face ID options in your iPhone. And yep, you can reset your Face ID from here. And the last thing you can do it guys, you can reset your whole iPad, or you can factory reset your whole iPad by going into the general options, and here you will be able to see this transfer or reset iPad, and then just reset your iPad guys. So resetting also, so you can choose the first option, it won't delete your data. So resetting guys will definitely fix this error. So if you are having, subscribe for more video guys, to the mobile.